Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be telling you how to factory reset your Windows 11 without any installation media, for example USB or a disk. So let's begin. To do so, first of all you'll have to click on the start button on your keyboard, or you can just click on this icon over here, and over here now you'll have to type in settings. Now you'll have to click on Windows Update at the end. Over here you'll have to click on the advanced options. Now you'll have to scroll down and then click on recovery. Over here you'll see this option reset this PC, and then you'll have to click on reset PC over here. Over here you can choose if you want to keep your personal files or you want to clean everything on your PC or your laptop. So this is your choice. So for example, if you choose keep my files, then it may ask you that would you like to reinstall Windows or download Windows from cloud download or local reinstall, and I would rather suggest you to choose local reinstall because it may take less time and cloud download will take more time. So this is one way to reset your PC, and the second way is to just restart your PC using the shift key. So first of all you'll have to hold the shift key on your keyboard and then you'll have to click on restart over here. So hold the shift key and then click on restart. So after clicking shift and restart together, you'll see the screen over here, and you can use this option if you have a slow computer, which will help you to easily reset your PC. Now you'll have to choose troubleshoot. After clicking on troubleshoot, we'll see this option reset this PC. Now you'll have to select this option, and as you can see these are the same options which we saw in the settings section. So if your PC or laptop is really slow and it takes time to open the settings, you can just use this method and easily reset your computer. You can either choose keep my files or remove everything, which will clean your PC. It may take a few hours, but it will totally clean your PC and make it to factory settings. I hope this video would have helped you. For more similar videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.